Hello, my name is Michael Fine, and today I'll be giving you a basic introduction to HTML and CSS, specifically website creation and basic tags. Now, before we start coding with HTML, there are a few steps we have to do first. First, go into Notepad or Notepad++. Next, you'll need to save your now .txt file, but as you've seen, you will have to change the suffix. This is simple. Just go into the File menu and change the suffix from .txt to what it should be, which is HTML. This is so that your browser recognizes it as an HTML file and displays it correctly. Now, drag your file into whatever browser you're using. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you'd like. Next, I'd recommend bookmarking the file so that you don't lose it. Now, why have you done this? That's simple. What you've just created is an IDE for HTML. This stands for Integrated Development Environment. This is where we'll be entering any tags we'll need to build our website. Now, this is what your file in your browser should look like. I have bookmarked it in my bookmarks bar, but you don't have to do that. You notice in the URL, it shows the path it takes to get to that file. And in your tab, it should say the title of the file. Now, let's do some basic website setup. I've included a template for you to copy and the final result. This is what your website should look like. Now, if you'll notice, I have bookmarked the website in my bookmarks bar, but this is optional. You don't have to do this. So let's get into it. Now, the first tag, as they're known in HTML, that you should see is the HTML tag. This sets the doc type for the code after it. Now, it's worth noting that the doc type essentially tells the computer, hey, the following code after this starting tag is in the following language. In this case, it's HTML. And it's also worth noting that every ending tag in HTML, that is, a tag that signifies the end of a starting tag, begins with a slash right before the word in the tag. Now, this isn't always a word. It could be a letter, but it always begins with a slash, or almost always. Now, every tag is bordered by two symbols you've probably only seen in math. That is the less than symbol and the greater than symbol. This is just a part of every tag. Now, the next tag is the title tag. This sets the title of the website. This is what shows in the tab. Now, this title tag also has a slash at the end. This will be a pattern. Now, the next one is the body tag. Currently, we have nothing in it, but that will change. The body is essentially where we're going to put any text or images we're going to insert. Now, before we go, I need to tell you about this very important resource. That's w3schools.com. Go out to their HTML tutorial. There, they cover all the tags you need to know. They cover everything, including what we review in these videos. So remember, if you don't know anything, just go out to w3schools.com.